How to use the CIA's acronym M.I.C.E to sell properties. The CIA believes that people have four main motivators called M.I.C.E: money, ideology, coercion, and ego. I don't think they made that up to sell properties, but in a way, I think it works. And it is a little bit the dark art, but I think we all do this anyway, so let's have a go at it. Money, so that's obvious. Buy this property, you'll make money. Ideology, that one's interesting because at the moment, one of the buzzwords in the industry is sustainability. That for a lot of people is not just another way of making money, it's actually important to them, it's something they believe in. I also know a guy who buys old, derelict listed buildings to do them up to their former glory. He believes in that, it's a passion project. You can always sell him a listed building. Coercion's interesting. You cannot force anyone to buy a property, nor should you. But there are times when developers are buying up whole plots of land within a street in order to make a big development. If you own a property that is right in the middle of where they want to develop, then effectively they're forced to make you a great offer. You'll probably get a premium. And the final one is ego. Ego is very interesting. The first deal I ever did was in Wallington in Surrey, and my former boss said to the tenants, look, do you want to renew your lease? Oh, and by the way, we'll rename the building after your company. Funnily enough, that tenant was very happy to renew. Anyway, hope that helps. That's it for today. See you again tomorrow.